Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change phone number in WhatsApp. Firstly, launch the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Account. Select the Change Number option. In the Change Number screen, tap Next. Enter your current old number in the first field and your new number in the second one. Tap Next to proceed. WhatsApp will send a one-time code to your new number. Enter the verification code when prompted to complete the process. After verifying, WhatsApp will give you the option to notify contacts about your number change. Choose to inform all contacts only those you chat with or select specific contacts. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.